What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to the garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of ignition coils. I'll be explaining how they operate, the essential maintenance tips you need to keep them in top shape, and what you can expect in terms of pricing. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to understand your vehicle better, this video will provide you with valuable insights. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this crucial component of your engine. See garages. The ignition coil contributes to your car's combustion. It recovers current from the battery and sends it to the spark plugs, which create the spark needed for engine combustion. If the ignition coil fails, you'll experience power loss or even difficulty starting your car. What is the purpose of the engine ignition coil? What are the different types of car ignition coil? What are the symptoms of a faulty ignition coil that needs changing? There are several types of ignition coil depending on your car. Pencil ignition coil. The pencil ignition coil is connected directly to the spark plugs. There is therefore one pencil coil per spark plug. Independent dual ignition coil. Find the best garage to change your ignition coil. See garages. See garages. What are the symptoms of a faulty ignition coil? There are several symptoms that can alert you to an ignition coil failure. The starter motor runs in a vacuum when you try to start. The engine, the warning light on your dashboard indicates engine failure. What are the different types of car ignition coil? If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, visit a garage to have your ignition coil checked. He will then be able to check the condition of your ignition coil and use the OBD diagnostic tool. How do I replace an ignition coil? Want to change your ignition coil yourself? Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to replace your classic faulty ignition coil. Please note, depending on the type of your ignition coil, the procedure may be different. Tools required: protective gloves, safety goggles. Tip: remember to test your ignition coils before changing them. Here's a tutorial for testing an ignition coil on your car. Find the best garage to change your ignition coil. See garages. Roll ignition coil. Car part ignition coil symptoms: change ignition coil, disconnect battery, engine ignition coil, reinstall ignition coil, test decoil, price coil D. Find the best garage to change your ignition coil. In conclusion, understanding the operation of the ignition coil is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. Regular maintenance can extend its lifespan and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. When considering replacement, it's important to factor in both quality and price, as investing in a reliable ignition coil can save you from costly repairs down the line. By staying informed and proactive, you can keep your ignition system in top shape and enjoy a more efficient driving experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive insights.